Hey guys, I'm gonna try to show you this book I made years ago. This is my car. When I first found it, it was probably 15 years ago. And it shows this first restoration process that I did. There it is on the trailer. Sorry about that glare. There's a gang of us there. My brother's truck and his trailer. Kind of blurry. I believe that was a 200 inline six that was in it. There it is. I'm at the garage getting power washed. Getting torn apart. The front end off of it. And you can see right through the floor. It was so bad. It was stuck to the ground when we got it. It sunk in a little bit. The floor was almost still on the ground. So here's the first quarter panel put on. And there's the wheels there. Kind of, the camera won't focus. There it is, come back from getting primered. Guess it's an epoxy sealer primer or something like that. Half of it's painted in that picture. I think we ran out of paint. They didn't buy enough paint or something. I don't know. This is the first engine that was in it. It was a 306 that had cast iron I guess they were rolled heads, and I don't know, something went wrong with that engine. It got torn apart. Something happened. The valve springs got broken all up in it. You can't really focus on that one, but the way it was sitting, rims look good on there. It was back from the painter and it was getting assembled there. That is Nitto, I guess they were 555R tires on the back. They were sticky. It was one sharp looking car. I tore it apart to put the rack and pinion in the front. Never got to put it back together. It was riding a little high. Probably had 2 inches gap in the above the tire and the fender. Hopefully I can lower that down when I get it put back together again. Some pictures of it on the outside. I think that's it. Now there's a picture of my brother's car. There's no picture of his car. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, let me upload this and get it to you.